B&M invert. And now I got sun. I'm gonna take my glasses off for this. Oh, we're at the top. Going down. Up in the elevator. Let's go. So good. That ride's great. So, Mike, did you like it?
Yeah, I liked it a lot.
Love Talon. We've already been on it today, but it was running good.
I'd probably have to say that this is probably number 3 in the park.
You like Possessed more?
I think I like Possessed more.
Wow, that's a hot take.
I gotta think about it more, but I think Steel Force and Possessed are my 2 favorites. Then this one and Hydra. Hydra wasn't really anything. Great Bear's got more punch to it.
So I used to ride coasters when I was like 20 all the time. As I've gotten older, I can't do it anymore like I used to. My son is a thrill seeker, so I took it on me and I just do it. I love Batman.
Be sure to take any of these articles in there.